Berber lives in the mountains, Arab lives in cities, but origin people Berber. Arab just coming from a Middle West. A people of many villages here live from this waterfalls. It is a touristic zone that fulfills the need by doing different activity. Here when we have a rain, we feel happy, but absent of the rain, people suffer because people here live on agriculture. It was used as traditional bank by our ancestors to stock their old object and material in this place. It has access from other side. Just monkeys live in there. We have many caves in this place because people that at the time used to live in caves just because there were no houses in the
Okay, sorry.
never been close to anyone.
No?
We are so tied up in our minds that we've lost our senses. Time to wake up. This is not London. This is Marrakech.
Mogadon. You welcome, everybody welcome here, you know. I will give you, if you come like from this lady, I will give you 30% off.
Here I'm with Thea and Chris. They are very kind with me.
just I'm expressing my message. I'm from the Amazon forest, Peru border with Colombia. I want to say no racism or prejudice. A message to preserve the forest, the jungle, the rivers, the nature. And one of my big dreams is try to help other people in the poverty, because this planet is a lot of inequality. Okay, this is a little bit on my part. My name is Camilo from the Amazon forest, Peru border with Colombia, from my heart.
Mijn naam artistiek is Fofa.
I love painting, and you love painting.
I love painting. No, stop. I have now 57 years. I have a future 18 years old. You understand me?
Yeah.
No, stop. In Arabic is not an
No, I like it in Arabic.
Ja. Dus ila voor Tia. Is een F is F.
Uh-huh.
This is M. This is my mother. This is my mother father. My father is Mohammed and my name is Fufa. Artistically, understand?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, my name is Khalid Bouaidi. I'm designing Essaouira about clothes, about patchwork, handmade, special kimono. You're welcome. Nice to meet you.
So there we see, yeah. All right. So, thank you. And actually, it's more for if you want to be in the water.
Same.